How's it going, guys? Jake from Mead here, and today I'm going to be showing off something I bought the other day. Let's check it out. The DJI Mavic Pro. Now, if you watched my iPad review video, basically you would have remembered me explaining that I used to own a Phantom 4 Pro. Now, the reason why I sold that was because basically the motherfucker was way too big to carry with me traveling and all that kind of shit. I mean, I go overseas all the time, and to carry a box, that's a bit exaggerated, but a box maybe this big, a big styrofoam box, along with my laptop and my standard carry-on, and I mean, I stay at backpacker hotels and all that kind of stuff, so it's not ideal for carrying around. I mean, it's possible, but it's yeah, certainly not ideal. So I wanted this one from the start. I actually had one of these on pre-order back when they first came out, but if any of you remember, there was massive delays with these because basically they sold way more than what they were expecting, I believe, in the pre-orders. So basically orders were being pushed back, and I was one of those. I was potentially going to have to wait an extra 3 months, and at the time, during that 3 months, the Phantom 4 Pro got released, and the dealer that I was going through said, you know, if you don't want to wait, how about a Phantom 4? So I was like, yeah, sweet, done deal. Anyway, so I wanted a drone pretty much ASAP. I had flown the cheaper ones off eBay, and I had some general pretty good luck, but I was ready for something real, something expensive. So yeah, I went for the Phantom 4 Pro, and it was great. I highly recommend that drone to anyone. The camera quality on that thing is just outstanding. It's unrivaled, but yeah, it's just a bit bulky. Yeah. There's nothing really more that I can say about that. Anyway, so I flogged it off along with my iPad mini, and just the other day I was on Facebook, the old marketplace, and someone was flogging this guy off. Now, it came with a couple of batteries, charger, you'd hope. It actually came with some extra camera lenses, the ND covers and all that kind of thing. I haven't tried them before, but I'll give them a go. Maybe I'll speak about them in another video. But yeah, overall, this was being sold, this package was being sold for $1,000 on the dot, basically. So there was potential savings of $500-600 there that I couldn't really say no to. It only had 13 hours of flight on it, so I was like, fuck yeah, why not? I'm gonna get one eventually anyway, may as well get this one now. And I gotta say, no regrets right now with this, no regrets at all. It's the easiest drone to fly by far that I've used, at least. The Phantom 4 was easy, but this, I don't know, there's just something about it that just seems to control so much better than the Phantom. I can't quite put my finger on it. The only thing that's slower, the gimbal control, is quite smooth and slow. You could probably change that in the settings. I haven't really had a chance to look at that one properly yet, but basically, yeah, you know, other than that, it's by far, you will not have any dramas. If you crash this, you're flying it in a really fucking stupid place, and you deserve to crash it, because it would be impossible to crash this thing, you know, especially with its forward facing sensors and its bottom facing sensors. So it's quite capable of detecting water and where the ground is. Just this morning actually, I was flying it along. As I came over a bush, it actually detected the bush reasonably close, and it actually followed it up over the bush. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, the sensors definitely work. Battery life is outstanding for the size of this thing. I mean, you can get 15 to 20 minutes of flight time, which is pretty good. You won't really get that with the battery size in any other drone, not that I can think of, or not that I know of anyway. So really, really good battery life. The camera sensor is outstanding. However, you will notice the difference between this and a Phantom 4 Pro. I've seen a lot of reviews of people talking about them, saying that, you know, you can't really tell much of a difference, or, you know, I don't know, I definitely can. To me, it's the difference between using a DSLR and a mobile phone camera. A really good mobile phone camera, don't get me wrong. And to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if that's pretty much what that sensor is, something more resembling a high-end phone camera, maybe something a little bit higher. But so you can expect beautiful quality images, but also don't set your expectations too high, because yeah, you will notice artifacting and everything like that in the video. Back on what I was saying about how easy it is to fly, it is stable as fuck. Like, I can't even explain, like, the motherfucker just stays still in the air, even with wind blowing around and everything. It doesn't phase it. It's quite happy just to sit there solid. So yeah, that's really impressive. Definitely don't regret it. And would it be worth buying one in 2018 like I have? Yeah, absolutely. I won't be surprised if another Mavic comes out soon in the next year or two. But at the same time, you're not going to regret buying one of these, especially if you're looking to break into the aerial photography game. You know, this is probably your best price point that you're going to find for. Yes, it's expensive, but it is reliable, and you can't fuck up. That's what, you know, you get what you pay for. When you start going for these cheaper couple $100 drones, you will 100% realize where that money goes when it comes to this technology. So if you're just looking to get into this, I would definitely recommend the Mavic Pro as your first choice. And then, you know, if you get more and more into it, start looking at more expensive ones, and DJI all the way, all day. So yeah, anyway guys, if you wanted more specs and specifics about the sensors and camera, I would highly recommend you just Google that shit. As I say in all my videos, you know, my videos aren't really, my point isn't to show you the specifics. It's more just to tell you about the experience that I have with these devices. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you got a DJI Phantom 4? Have you got a DJI Mavic? Have you got any other drone? Would you guys recommend a drone as a starter drone? Let's fucking talk about anything you fucking want. We can even talk about fucking goats if you want to. I don't give a fuck. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It means everything to me. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Catch you later.